Like a classic rock song, the Challenger quickens the heart rate and stirs up nostalgia. Its old-school roots are obvious, witness the retro design and simplistic interior. Available with a class-exclusive, all-wheel drive powertrain for the base V6 engine, Dodge's pony car also can be fitted, in rear-wheel drive form, with a 375 horsepower almighty 485 horsepower Hemi V8. Both engines have a standard 6-speed manual transmission. A proficient 8-speed automatic is optional. The Challenger's cushy ride and comfy cabin make it a compelling cruiser, but the Chevrolet Camaro and the Ford Mustang have elevated performance expectations. High's powertrain options galore, comfy and simplistic cabin, all-wheel drive exclusivity. Low's lazy handling, portly proportions, rubberized interior materials. Verdict: this big, brash pony car balances old-school cool with new-age performance. What's new for 2018? The 2018 Challenger has minor updates that include new standard equipment, performance upgrades, and exterior colors. Red Brembo brake calipers are now an option on several V8 trims. An all-new performance handling package is available on models with the 5.7-litre V8. It includes 4-piston Brembo brakes and a tuned suspension. The all-wheel drive Challenger GT adds optional 19-inch wheels with painted pockets. The Super Track pack on the SXT Plus and RT Plus trims now features Nappa leather and micro-shielded sport seats. The SXT, RT Shaker, and Tile models receive a standard 7.0-inch Uconnect touchscreen. A backup camera is now standard, too. The 2018 Challenger lineup adds F8 green and indigo blue exterior colors, which have late availability. B5 blue and plum crazy also return later in the year. What was new for 2017? Apart from a light exterior refresh and a significant interior redesign for 2015, the Challenger hasn't been completely new since it returned from the dead in 2008. For 2017, the lineup adds the heritage-inspired TAR and TAR 392 models. Along with unique exterior and interior elements, they have wider wheels and stickier tires. The 392 version has more powerful Brembo brakes. The TAR twins also share a cold air induction system similar to that used in the Challenger SRT Hellcat. Every Challenger has an updated Uconnect infotainment system. The optional 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation adds multi-touch gestures. Models equipped with the 5.7-litre V8 now have an active exhaust system. Among the other additions are standard houndstooth cloth seats on some models and revised paint choices. Green Go, Yellow Jacket, Destroyer Grey, and Octane Red are new colors, while White Knuckle and Contusion Blue are in-name carryovers. Trims and options: we'd choose the Challenger's optional 485 horsepower 6.4-litre V8 is the most powerful engine in its class. The 707 horsepower Challenger SRT Hellcat and 840 horsepower Demon are in another league altogether. We prefer the regular Challenger paired with the RT Scat pack starting at $40,090, which includes the 6.4-litre V8, for the best balance of appearance and performance. The 8-speed automatic transmission costs $1,500 for this trim, but it avoids the 6-speed manual's $1,000 gas guzzler tax, so it's effectively a $500 option. Its standout standard features a 20-inch wheels, a high-performance Brembo brake package, rear parking sensors, and an 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The only options we'd add are driver convenience group package, blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert, high-intensity discharge headlights, and more for $1,095. Dynamics package, wider 20-inch black wheels, 6-piston Brembo front brake calipers for $2,200. Biley P0 summer tires for $695. Our Challenger RT Scat pack with the standard 6-speed manual rang up at $44,080. The Dodge doesn't dominate the V8-powered Ford Mustang GT or Chevy Camaro SS at the track, but its hefty horsepower rating and retro roots recreate the good old days better than both. While Chevy and Ford put turbocharged four-cylinders in their pony cars, Dodge doubles down on two V8 options for the Challenger. Its base engine is a practical V6, which is much slower than similar rivals, but it's the only one available with class-exclusive all-wheel drive. The obligatory 6-speed manual transmission is standard with the bigger engines. An exceptional 8-speed automatic is optional. What's new for 2018? The 2018 Challenger carries over its trifecta of powertrains from 2017, highlighted by the 485 horsepower V8 that has more ponies than the Camaro SS and the Mustang GT. Unfortunately, its underwhelming V6 can't hold a candle to the Camaro's sweltering V6 or the Mustang's thrifty EcoBoost Turbo 4. 2017 Dodge Challenger. The Challenger's base 305 horsepower 3.6-litre V6 won't satisfy thrill seekers. The modest mill mates exclusively to the 8-speed automatic, but in the heavy Challenger it lacks the acceleration and excitement of the Mustang's turbo inline-four or the Camaro's snarling V6. The Dodge's Hemi V8 engines are another story. The 375 horsepower 5.7-litre we tested had plenty of juice to power slide on demand, and its guttural growl was gratifying. Those seeking to maximize the Challenger's potential will want a 6.4-litre V8, which produces 485 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque. We also drove the TAR 392 with the automatic and admired the exhaust's cannon blast startup sound and baritone roar when prodded. It provided breakneck acceleration, especially at highway speeds 2.6 seconds from 50 to 70 miles per hour, while we're suckers for the shifter self-stick. The ZF 8-speed automatic is incredibly responsive to throttle inputs, with quick power and downshifts and smooth progression. Rear-wheel drive 3.6-litre and 5.7-litre Challengers are available with a Super Track Pack package. Its functional enhancements include steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, automatic only, and Dodge Performance pages. These screens are accessed via the center stack touchscreen and allow you to adjust the settings for the powertrain and traction control. The Challenger and its domestic rivals have improved their fuel economy immensely since the old days of single-digit gas mileage. The Challenger V6 and V8s have EPA ratings that are similar to the Chevy Camaro and Ford Mustang, and all earned nearly identical figures in our real-world testing. What's new for 2018? Since the 2018 Challenger has the same powertrains as in 2017, its estimated fuel economy numbers are unchanged, and we expect its real-world figures to be the same. We've yet to test a rear-wheel drive V6 model or the 5.7-litre V8 on our highway fuel loop. 2017 Dodge Challenger paired with rear-wheel drive. The Challenger's V6 is EPA rated at 19 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. The all-wheel drive version has estimates of 18 city and 27 highway. Its 5.7-litre and 6.4-litre V8s improve fuel efficiency by seamlessly deactivating four cylinders when they're not needed in situations such as steady highway speeds. According to the EPA, they can both manage 25 miles per gallon on the highway with the 8-speed automatic.